How to transfer WhatsApp channel ownership. Here's how. Initially open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device and navigate to the Updates tab at the bottom of the screen. Then locate the channel that you currently own and open the channel page. Next, click on the three-dot menu at the top right. From the menu, choose Channel Info. After that, scroll down the page and tap on Transfer Ownership. Here you will be prompted to select the admin you want to transfer ownership. Once selected, a confirmation message will appear. Confirm your choice to proceed. Finally, you will need to enter your phone number for verification. After entering your phone number, just hit the transfer button. After that, the ownership of your WhatsApp channel will officially be transferred to the chosen admin. As a result, the new owner will have full control over the channel. With these few steps, you now know how to transfer WhatsApp channel ownership.